Good morning, Sean and Heidi with Hike Bites. We took the aerial tram in Palm Springs to the top of the mountain, and we're about ready to start a very special hike called the Round Valley Loop Trail.
Come explore nature with us.
One bite at a time. You know, you go on these trails and sometimes you find a really nice boulder. I think that's a nice boulder, don't you?
I know.
Maybe we should do a boulder contest. What do you say?
We should.
All right, those are some pretty nice boulders, and I'll keep you posted when we run into some good ones.
Wow.
And we'll have a vote.
Check out all those.
Oh, see those?
See that rock way up there? That looks like a pretty good bouldering rock. If you're into bouldering, that might be a must try.
Hi.
I think we found our place to have a snack.
Oh, yeah.
We just hit the snow line up here, and I'm in a tank top, and it's not even cold. So come join us. Woo!
Time for a break. I think I might like this boulder a little bit better. That one I saw in the morning was good, but come on. Meet Jeff the pine tree, and evidently he smells like vanilla and butterscotch. Here's Notch 3, and this is supposed to be where the incredible views are. Let's see what we got. Notch 3 of the desert view. Very spectacular view. We're completely out of camera footage on my camera.
And I'm literally out of footage on my feet.